Speak English, Beginner Series, Lesson 5.
Welcome back to Speak English Beginner Series. This is Lesson 5. It's all about weather talk. Visit our channel for the earlier lessons in this series. And a lot more English language stuff.
In this lesson, we shall delve into one of the most popular conversation starters, talking about the weather. Knowing how to discuss the weather can help you engage in small talk, make new friends, and even impress your English-speaking colleagues. Let's get started.
First, let's talk about sunny weather. Here are some phrases you can use. It's a beautiful day, isn't it? The sun is shining so brightly today. It's scorching hot outside. Don't forget your sunscreen.
Wow, Jamie, it's so sunny today. It feels like summer in the middle of winter.
Absolutely. I could use some ice cream right now. The sun is shining so brightly, I might even get a tan.
Next up, rainy weather. These phrases will come in handy. Looks like it's going to rain. It's pouring outside. Do you have an umbrella? I love the sound of rain on the roof.
Ugh, Alex, it's raining cats and dogs out there.
Yeah, I forgot my umbrella. Guess I'll be taking a shower on my way home.
Now let's discuss cold weather. Here are some useful phrases. It's freezing outside. I need a heavier coat, it's really cold. There's a chill in the air today.
Brr, Jamie, it's freezing outside. My nose feels like it's going to fall off.
I know, right? I need a heavier coat. My scarf just isn't cutting it.
Windy weather can be quite a topic too. Try these phrases. It's really windy today. Hold on to your hat. The wind is howling tonight.
Whoa, Alex, it's really windy today. My hat almost flew away.
Tell me about it. The wind is howling tonight. It's like we're in a movie scene.
Snowy weather can be magical. Here are some ways to talk about it. It's snowing! Do you want to build a snowman? The snow is so beautiful. I love watching the snow fall.
Look, Jamie, it's snowing. Do you want to build a snowman?
Absolutely. The snow is so beautiful. Let's make the best snowman ever.
Remember, the weather can change quickly, and it's great to be prepared for any situation. Here are some more phrases to keep in your weather conversation toolkit. The weather is so unpredictable. It's been a mix of sun and rain all day. I heard there's a storm coming.
Alex, have you noticed how unpredictable the weather has been lately? It was sunny this morning, and now it's raining.
Yeah, it's like the weather can't make up its mind. I heard there's a storm coming later this week.
Talking about the weather doesn't have to be boring. You can even add some humor to your conversations. Here are some funny weather jokes to keep your chats lively.
Why did the weather report bring a ladder?
To reach the high notes. What does a cloud wear under his raincoat?
Underwear. Why did the sun go to school?
To get a little brighter. I don't know why.
Hey Alex, why did the weather report bring a ladder?
Haha, good one, Jamie. To reach the high notes, of course.
See? Even talking about the weather can be fun. So whether it's sunny, rainy, cold, windy, or snowy, you're now equipped with the right phrases and a sense of humor to keep the conversation going. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more tips on learning English. Stay tuned for Lesson 6, where we shall be talking about how to make small talk. Also, please make an effort to visit our channel. We cover a broad range of topics about learning English. Through our channel content, you will also learn how to confront the fear of learning English and how to overcome it. See you in the next lesson.